It's math time! So, good afternoon sa lahat ng mga estudyante ko dyan. Tito Jello is here again for another tutorial video. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa mga subscribers natin dyan dahil umabot tayo sa 100 subs! Ayan. So, thank you sa lahat ng mga estudyante ko dyan. Naniniwala ako na meron kayo natututunan sa mga ginagawa kong videos. Kaya, di ko napapatagalin pa. Let's start! So, nung last time, yung pinakauna kong vlog ay tungkol sa patterns, kung paano nabubuo yung patterns, how it was generated, and at the same time, yung about sa end term of a pattern. This time, hahanapin natin ngayon yung end term of a pattern from the given pattern. So, ready na ba kayo? Simulan na natin siya. So, I have here an example of pattern, or number pattern, 2, 5, 8, and 11. Now, let's see kung paano siya nag-generate. 2 papunta kay 5, that is 3 steps. 5 papunta kay 8, 3 steps. 8 papunta kay 11, 3 steps. So, doon pa lang sa first row natin, makikita na natin na common na sila. So, kung common na kagad siya sa first row, that is an example of linear pattern. So, a linear pattern is a number pattern wherein the differences of the numbers generated is always the same, like this. So, now, sa linear pattern, ang formula natin dyan to generate or the end term of it is Bn plus C. So, now, paano natin makukuha si B at si C? Kasi yung N natin yan yung number of terms. Ganito lang yan. Yung first row na natin na nasa baba, that is our B. Then yung 2, 5, 8, and 11, which is our general pattern, is B plus C. Now, let's try. So, dahil common na yan, automatic agad natin na B is equal to 3. Next, B plus C equals, gamitin natin palagi yung nasa unahan, which is B plus C equals 2. So, B, meron na tayong value, 3. So, 3 plus C equals 2. Now, put 3 on the other side. C is equal to 2 minus 3. Then, 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. So, it means the pattern or the end term of 2, 5, 8, and 11 is 3n minus 1. So, let's try kung tama ba natin, kung tama yung sagot natin. So, a sub 1 equals 3 times 1 natin minus 1. Katulad nung ginagawa natin nung last vlog ko. So, 3 times 1, 3 minus 1. So, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Next, a sub 2. So, 3 times 2 minus 1. 3 times 2, that is 6 minus 1, 5. Diba? Parehas. 2, 5. Next, a sub 3. 3 times 3 minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. So, sabihin, ganun din yung mangyayari sa 11. Okay ba? So, since true siya kay 2, 5, and 8, siyempre magiging true na yan kay 11, so on and so forth. So, sabihin, the end term of the 2, 5, 8, and 11 is 3n minus 1. So, now, another example tayo, which is 32, 27, 22, 17, so on and so forth. Now, take a look ulit kung paano siya nag-generate. 32 to 27, pababa siya, so sabihin nagma-minus tayo. So, it means minus 5. 27 to 22, minus 5 as well. 22 to 17, minus 5. So, sa negative 5 pa lang, common na siya. So, sa first row pa lang, common na siya, which is negative 5. So, it means, that is an example of a linear pattern. Sabihin, gagamitin ulit natin si Bn plus C. Okay ba tayo dyan? It means, again, itong nasa unahan natin or nasa baba, that is our B, at yung nasa taas, B plus C. So, gagamitin natin yung nandito sa gilid. So, it means, B natin equals negative 5. Next, B plus C. So, equals 32. Then put B, which is our negative 5 here. Negative 5 plus C equals 32. Put negative 5 on the other side. So, C equals 32 plus 5. So, C equals 37. So, ang end term ng 32, 27, 22, and 17 is, so, ang end term ng 32, 27, 22, and 17 is negative 5n plus 37. Let's try. So, a sub 1, negative 5 times 1 plus 37. So, negative, positive, multiply natin yan, magiging negative. Negative 5 times 1, negative 5 plus 37. So, a sub 1 is 32, which is this one. Okay, check. Next, try naman muna natin yung a sub 3. A sub 3 is equal to negative 5 times 3 plus 37. Negative 5 times 3, negative times positive is negative. So, negative 15 plus 37, which is equivalent to 22. Diba? That is an example of a linear pattern, which is the negative 5n plus 37 na nabubuo 32, 27, 22, 17. Of course, ang susunod dyan ay 12. Okay ba? So, I have here another number pattern, which is 1, 4, 11, 22, 37, 56. Now, tignan natin kung paano siya na-regenerate. 1, papunta kay 4, it takes 3 steps. 4, papunta kay 11, 7. So, hindi na kagad siya common, no? 11 to 22, 11 steps. 22 to 37, 15 steps. 37 to 56, 19 steps. Now, hindi na siya common. Pero syempre, kailangan natin mahanap kung nag-generate ba talaga siya ng pattern o hindi. So, sabihin, magdi-deep down na tayo after ng 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. 3 to 7, that is 4. 7 to 11, 4 steps. So, medyo nagiging common na tayo. 11 to 15, 4 steps. 15 to 19, 4 steps. Take a look. So, sa second row tayo nagkaroon ng common difference. Now, kapag gumabot siya ng second row, that is an example of non-linear pattern, which is a quadratic pattern. So, a quadratic pattern takes 2 steps of generating a pattern. So, sabihin, ang quadratic pattern, nagkakaroon siya ng second degree na common differences. So, now, katulad nung quadratic expression tayo nung grade 9, that is in the form of an squared plus bn plus c. Imbis na x ang ginagamit natin, we are using n. Kasi, it signifies the number of terms that we are using. So, paano natin makukuha si a, b, and c? Si a, b, and c, makukuha natin siya kapag gumamit ulit tayo ng formula. So, dito sa pinakababang row, which is our first row, we will use the formula 2a. Here, 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, or the second row, we will use 3a plus b. At yung sa taas, a plus b plus c. Ang gagamitin natin, again, yung nasa unahan. Mamaya i-explain ko kung bakit nasa unahan ang lagi natin ginagamit. Okay? So, 2a is equal to 4. So, divide both side by 2. Okay ba? Then, a equals 2. Next, 3a plus b equals 3. Substitute. Meron na tayong value ng a. So, 3 times 2 plus b equals 3. So, 3 times 2, that is 6. Plus b equals 3. Put 6 on the other side. b equals 3 minus 6. So, equals negative 3. Next. So, lasa tayo. A plus B plus C equals 1. Okay? So, substitute na natin, may value na tayo ng 2, may value na tayo ng A, may value na tayo ng B. Substitute lang natin. So, 2 minus 3 plus C equals 1. 2 minus 3, that is negative 1 plus C equals 1. Put negative 1 on the other side. So, magiging positive. So, 1 plus 1, C equals 2. So, ibig sabihin, our end term of 1, 4, 11, 22, 37, 56 is 2n squared minus 3n. Listen natin. Minus 3n kasi negative yan. Then, plus 2. Ito yung kanyang end term. Now, let's try. Gamitin natin, for example, si a sub 2. So, a sub 2 equals 2 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 2. 2 squared, that is 4 times 2, 8. Then negative 3 times 2, 6 plus 2. 8 minus 6, that is 2 plus 2, 4. Which is our a sub 2, second term. Ito siya. Now, try natin si third term. A sub 3 equals 2 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 2. So, 3 squared, 9 times 2, 18. 3 times 3, 9 plus 2. 18 minus 9, that is 9 plus 2, 11. Which is, ito siya. So, it means it's true that 1, 4, 11, 22, 37, 56, its end term is 2n squared minus 3n plus 2. Now, bakit natin ginagamit lagi yung nasa unahan? Because we are using the first term. Kasi mas madaling gamitin yung value ng n ng first term, which is 1. Kasi any number that you multiply to 1 is also itself. Kaya a times 1, a, b times 1, b, c times 1, c. Kaya doon sa pinakataas, nagiging a plus b plus c. Tapos kapag linear pattern naman, nagiging b plus c lang. Kasi yung n natin doon is only 1. So, I have here another example which is 11, 13, 17, 23, 31, 41. Kunin muna natin ulit kung paano siya nag-generate. 11 to 13 takes 2 steps. 13 to 17, 4 steps. So, hindi na siya linear pattern. 17 to 23, 6. 23 to 31, 8. 31 to 41, 10. So, hindi na siya linear pattern kasi hindi common sa first row. So, sabihin, bababa ulit tayo. 2 papunta kay 4, 2. 4 papunta kay 6, 2. So, meron na. So, 6 papunta kay 8, 2. 8 papunta kay 10, 2. So, sabihin, it takes second row. So, that is a quadratic pattern. So, we will use the an squared plus bn plus c. Formula tayo. Yung first row, again, that is 2a. Sa taas, yung second row, that is 3a plus b. At yung nasa taas, yung pinakataas is a plus b plus c. So, start tayo sa 2 or sa value ng a. So, 2a is equal to 2. So, divide both sides by 2. So, a equals 1. Next, 3a plus b equals 2. Ayan o. 2, 2 plus 11. Ayan na. So, 3a. So, may value na tayo ng a, which is 1. Plus b equals 2. 3 times 1, 3. Plus b equals 2. Put 3 on the other side. So, b equals 2 minus 3. So, b equals negative 1. Last. Bilugan muna natin para di tayo malito. So, last. Dito sa taas. So, a plus b plus c equals 11. First term lang ulit ang gagamitin natin. So, a, that is 1. Plus b natin, negative 1. plus c equals 11. 1 plus negative 1, that is 0. So, ibig sabihin, ang c natin mismo ay 11. So, it means, our n term is n squared minus n plus 11. Checking ulit tayo. So, a sub 3. Ito is a sub 3. So, 3 squared minus 3 plus 11. So, ang 3 squared natin ay 9 minus 3 plus 11. Take note, si 3 squared 3 times 3. So, 3 squared, 9. 9 minus 3, 6 plus 11. So, a sub 3 is 17. Next, try natin si a sub 5. A sub 5 is equal to 5 squared minus 5 plus 11. Again, take note 5 squared is 5 times 5, hindi 5 times 2. So, 5 squared is 5 times 5, 25. Minus 5 plus 11. So, 25 minus 5, that is 20. Plus 11, 31. So, a sub 5, ito yun. A sub 3, ito. So, okay ba? So, ayan. Naturo na sa inyo kung paano isolve ang paghahanap ng end term of a pattern. This time, kayo naman ang gagawa nito. Para mas madali, sundin natin yung step na ginawa ko kanina. Alamin muna natin kung linear pattern ba siya or quadratic pattern. Then next, sundin natin yung formula. Kapag linear pattern siya, we will follow the value b and b plus c. While dun kay quadratic pattern, 2a, 3a plus b, at a plus b plus c. So, sundin lang natin yung process para makuha natin yung tamang sagot. So, ready na ba kayo? Simulan na natin ang exercises. So, dito ko na tinatapos ang tutorial videos ko about sa patterns. So, ibig sabihin niya, sa susunod na pag-aaral natin ng Math 10, may panibagong topic na naman tayo pag-aaralan. So, para hindi ka malate, don't forget to hit like, comment, share, and subscribe ka na sa aking channel. I-hit mo na rin yung bell para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng mga tutorial videos ko about sa mathematics. So, again, this is Tito Jello saying, ang math, hindi madali. Pero masaya itong matutunan. Bye-bye!